So real quick, I'm just going to show you. So we got this Penn A421 controller right there, okay? I got my temperature probe and a cup of ice water. It's at 39 degrees. So that's, we'll just say, it should be 34 degrees. It's 5 degrees off. That's not very good. Okay, so we're going to change that in the controller so it matches, okay? And then by doing that, I can show you how to use the controller. Just a basic overview of how it works, okay? So you're going to hit up and down at the same time. You're going to hold it for about 5 seconds. This will enter the advanced menu. Alright, so now you're going to go through your list of things. So it has all of your things on there that you could do, and there's a guide out there with directions, and I'll go into that later in the video, what these things mean. Okay, but so we're going to go to SO, which is sensor offset. We're going to hit menu on that. 0. I want that offset to be -5. We're going to hit menu again. Alright, and then we're going to hit menu again. Well, we're going to, hold up and down, and that's going to send you back to there. Okay? So, now it says 45. So that's in the opposite direction that I wanted. So we're going to do it again. Ends up, it's not like another controller. So Danfoss controllers, that would make it 5 degrees less. But apparently with this one, I must have accidentally hit up and down one too many times. -5. Because I had it at +5. There we go. So now 35 degrees in a cup of water. I think that that's okay. So what that was saying is that was reading 5 degrees too warm. So if this up here where these lobsters are hanging out, if this was at 55 degrees, it was actually 50, and this was telling me 55 because this was reading too warm. So now that this is reading correctly, I can go through and figure it out more. But that's basically how you navigate this A421 controller, how you get in the interface and you change set points. Yeah, so that's it. Penn A421 series is a standard electronic temperature control installer guide. Okay, real simple. Type in A421 manual to the Google and you'll find it. So we're gonna go down to further down. So this tells you all sorts of good information, but right here is what I'm concerned with. Right, parameters. So I mentioned earlier, I'll show you those parameters. So right here you got a nice little table of all your parameters. So right now what I'm looking for is I want to see what offset it's set on. So the relay on temperature right here. So relay on temperature is what I'm kind of concerned with, and relay off is what I'm concerned with. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna edit in the controller, but we just edited this SO, this sensor adjustment. So we can go down further in this menu and we can also see that it has off, then it has on, and this is how you would navigate the basic menu. It has information on how to access the basic menu, and then down here this was the advanced menu that we used earlier. So we're looking for off and on in this menu. So I'll show you the off and on really quick. We're going to hit both of these together, wait a couple seconds. Alright, so we're going to go to off. I want to see on menu 46, off menu 45. Well, that's not right, so we got to edit that. So it should turn, oh wait, no, that's right. So it's saying, so this should actually be 50. So I want it to turn on at 50, and then we're going to hit down. I want it to turn off at 44. Okay, so now that's going to keep the tank at 50 and 44 degrees. Good old lobsters there, and they're going to be nice and good to go. So menu is how you go into there, and then you can change it. And if you just keep hitting menu, you're going to go through all of your, you go to the one setting, you hit menu, go to the other, go to one setting, hit the menu, go to the other, right? And then if you're on the actual temp parameter itself, you can scroll through it, hit menu. So it turns on at 50, turns off, 44. All right, good to go. And then I'm gonna hold menu. Actually, nope. I hit up and down and go back to there. 51, good to go. All right, that's how you do it.